So in the last lecture we have seen how to find the greatest number between two numbers. It's very simple program. If a greater than b, will print a is greatest, else will print b is greatest. But what if both are equal? How to handle that situation? So that, let's say here 23. So we are not checking that, right? In this case we'll print 23, right? Let's change this program. So instead of, because here we have three conditions now. One is a can be greater than b, or a can be less than b, or a can be equals to b. If a is greater than b, so we can print here, let's print a greater than b. Now instead of else we use if, okay, or else if a less than b. That is the case, then we have to print here b greater than a, and then else let's print a both are equal. So here we have multiple conditions. If a greater than b, it will come here and print this statement, and if it is false, it will go to else if or elif. Then it will check another condition. If this condition is true, it will come here, print, execute this part, come out of this. But if it is false, go to else and print this. You can see both are equal. Now let's change it 3. So 23 is greater than 3, and let's change it. So here 2 to 3 greater than 23. This way we can solve when multiple conditions. There are multiple conditions, we can use else if or elif. Let's take one more example here. I'll ask the user to enter a number, and let's test if it is a positive, negative or 0. So if this number is greater than 0, it's positive, if, and here we will check if it is less than 0. So I'll print here negative, otherwise it will be 0. So 3 conditions. Let's run it. Positive, negative value and 0. So there can be any number of conditions, and for every condition we have to do something. So in that scenario we can use elif, else if. So it's very useful.